Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super interesting to dive into, a new AI tool called DeepSmartX. And trust me, it's turning a lot of heads. If you're a fan of AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, or if you've ever felt frustrated by some of their limitations, then DeepSmartX might just be the answer you've been looking for. Now, I know many of you use ChatGPT or similar models for various tasks, content creation, research, coding, and a whole lot more. But let's be honest, these tools aren't perfect. They come with their own set of problems: high subscription costs, unreliable servers, limited functionality, and sometimes even outdated data. If you're like me, you've probably looked for something that can give you all the power of these tools at a better price, and without the constant headaches. That's where DeepSmartX comes in. First off, let me address the elephant in the room. DeepSmartX is a direct competitor to tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But here's the kicker. It's offering all the features you love, plus a ton more, and at a fraction of the price. If you're familiar with how ChatGPT Plus can cost upwards of $200 a month for premium access, DeepSmartX is offering a lifetime account for an incredibly low one-time price. Yes, you heard that right, lifetime access. That alone is a game changer. But it's not just about pricing. DeepSmartX is designed to fix a lot of the problems that come with current AI models. Let's talk about the first one, privacy. If you've ever had concerns about the data you share with Chinese-based AI models like DeepSeek, you'll appreciate that DeepSmartX is built and hosted on US-based servers, ensuring that your data stays 100% private and secure. Unlike DeepSeek, which raises serious concerns about privacy, DeepSmartX is committed to keeping your information safe from prying eyes. Another big issue I've seen with many AI tools is outdated information. I know it can be frustrating to ask something as simple as, "Who is the current president of the United States?" and get an outdated response. DeepSeek, for example, still tells you that Joe Biden is the president of the US in 2023. Well, DeepSmartX has real-time data capabilities, so you won't run into that problem. It instantly fetches accurate and up-to-date information, making it a reliable tool for business owners, content creators, and researchers alike. Now let's talk about some of the incredible features that really set DeepSmartX apart from the rest. One of the highlights is instant video creation. If you're into social media or content creation, you know how time-consuming it can be to create short-form videos like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Well, with DeepSmartX, you can create stunning 15-second videos with just one click. No external software needed. It's built into the platform. But it doesn't stop there. DeepSmartX also offers text generation magic, which means you can create professional emails, blogs, presentations, and more in seconds. If you're a busy professional or entrepreneur, this feature will save you a ton of time. Whether you need to generate product descriptions, create email newsletters, or draft entire blog posts, DeepSmartX has you covered. And if you're in the creative industry, you'll love the instant image creation and editing tool. Creating visuals for your social media or marketing materials has never been easier. Plus, there's hands-free voice input, so you can just speak your commands instead of typing everything out. Imagine writing a blog post or generating content on the go without even touching your keyboard. DeepSmartX's voice input feature is perfect for multitaskers. Let's not forget about its advanced chat memory. This feature allows DeepSmartX to maintain the full context of your conversations across unlimited sessions. So whether you're working on a complex project or having a long-running discussion, it remembers everything, making interactions much more coherent and natural. If you've ever been frustrated by an AI model forgetting previous context in a conversation, this is a game changer. Then there's the Deep Vision AI. This feature allows DeepSmartX to automatically read, explain, and summarize any image you provide. Whether you're working with charts, infographics, or even screenshots, DeepSmartX can quickly process and explain what's going on. This is an amazing feature for visual content creators and data analysts. You also get instant file summaries for PDFs, docs, or any files, which means you don't have to wade through long documents to find the key information. On top of that, DeepSmartX can generate interactive canvas editors for editing documents, code snippets, or images in real time. If you're collaborating with a team, this feature is a lifesaver, making project management and creative work more efficient. With zero server downtime, you'll never have to worry about that annoying server-busy error message when you need your AI to work for you. Plus, it supports global multi-language communication, so you can interact with audiences from all over the world, making it an excellent tool for global businesses and creators. To top it all off, DeepSmartX integrates seamlessly with apps like Gmail, Google Drive, and Dropbox. It's a one-stop shop for anyone who needs a powerful, all-in-one AI assistant. And all of this is available for a one-time price, but only for a limited time, after which the subscription fee will go up to $97 a month. So, if you're looking for an AI that's smarter, faster, and more affordable than the alternatives, DeepSmartX is definitely worth checking out. But don't wait too long. The clock is ticking on that one-time price. I think you'll be as impressed as I am when you see just how powerful and versatile this tool really is. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're as excited about DeepSmartX as I am, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.